The Bible says in Mark 9:23, if you can believe, all things are possible to him who believes. That's not just a statement, that's a promise from the mouth of Jesus himself. All things are possible, not some things, not a few things, but all things are possible when you believe. Now you may be looking at your circumstances right now thinking, Joel, I don't see how this can turn around, but can I encourage you, you don't have to see the way. God is the way. When you believe, you release the power of heaven into your situation. Faith is what invites the supernatural. Faith is what opens doors no person can shut. Faith is what moves mountains. And God didn't ask you to figure it all out. He just asked you to believe. Believe that healing is coming. Believe that restoration is on the way. Believe that the right people, the right opportunities, the right breaks, they're already lined up for you. So let me ask you, what are you believing for? A breakthrough, a promotion, a healing, a dream that's been buried? It's not too big for our God. He's the God of the impossible. He can do exceedingly, abundantly, above all you could ask or imagine. But it starts with one thing, belief. If this message stirred your spirit, type, I believe. And share it with someone who needs to be reminded with God, all things are possible. God bless you.
Hello mga buddy, this is Sir Earl Moto again. Panibagong produkto na naman ang ating ipapakita sa inyo mga buddy. Wala nang iba, ito ang Mototech CVT Brake and Parts Cleaner. Ang produktong ito ay nakakapagtanggal ng dumi, grasa at kung anumang contaminants na dumikit dyan sa parts ng motor ninyo. At talagang safe na safe itong gamitin mapaparts o kahit sa balat natin dahil non-chlorinated formula na ito. At bukod pa dyan, mapa-rain or shine, umaga man o gabi, perfect na perfect itong gamitin. Dahil hindi mo na kailangang patuyuin ito. Dahil ang produktong ito ay fast drying na at segundo lang mga buddy mula sa pag-apply mo sa parts ay talagang natutuyo na ito agad. At bukod pa dyan, safe na safe din itong gamitin para sa mga rubbers. Kaya ano pang inaantay mo buddy? Gumamit ka na ng Mototech CVT Brake and Parts Cleaner. Kung interesado ka, check out mo na yan sa yellow basket below. At para hindi ka na mahirapan, ilalagay ko rin ang link kung saan mabibili sa ating description. Kaya ano pang iniintay mo? I-check out mo na yan. Let's go!